Hey there, Famiri, welcome back to my channel. I have my phone in my hand because by the title you already know what we gonna do today. I'm gonna show you some products or some tools that I've seen on Instagram and on the interwebs, and I would say if I would buy it or not, or should you buy it or not. That's your own business. You should figure that out by yourself, but I would tell you if I buy it. So if you want to know what did I see on the interwebs, would I buy it, keep watching. So this video was inspired by Shanine of Too Much Mouth. She does I saw it on Trend Mood, would I buy it, and I just thought that was so cool. Still waiting for the natural hair trend mood. I'm gonna see what I find on Instagram, and I'm gonna give my opinion on it. If you are new, hey, welcome, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe and you become part of the Famiri, which is what we call our squad over here. Hashtag Famiri squad. And if you're already part of the Famiri, welcome back. You smart, you loyal. So subscribe if you're new, like this video if you like it, and follow me on Insta at Minerva Joy 13. Woo! It's been a long time since I've done the intro like this. So let's get into it. Before we go, one last thing. I'm sorry. I talk a lot. I'm sorry. One last thing. Do you live in Paris? If you live in Paris, France, holla at me. If you're gonna be in Paris in the weekend of June 7th to June 9th, let me know. The Natural Hair Academy is gonna be in Paris. I'm gonna be there. I'm really excited to be there, and I would like to meet up with photographers or people who would like to collab for Instagram. So let me know if you're gonna be at a Natural Hair Academy, because maybe we can meet up, and let me know if you're available for pictures. Okay, that's it. No distractions. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I've seen on Instagram is an ad. This ad has been following me around like I owe it money. Like, I haven't been paying child support. I ain't even got no children, but I have not been paying child support. That's how this ad has been following me around. It's an ad for heycurls_com, and it's a hair extension. It's a clip-in service for textured hair. So you see this ad of a beautiful woman with natural hair, and then she has clip-ins in, and it's like the seamless blend. The blend is seamless. Cool. Would I buy it? Yeah, I probably would. I would say I would buy it if I do some research and it's a black owned brand, or maybe like a smaller company, I would buy it. If it's a Chinese website or something like that, I probably wouldn't buy it. I have nothing against, hey, I have nothing against Chinese websites and Chinese hair. Heck, I'm even looking for AliExpress wigs. I just want to buy a wig. I don't want to spend a lot of money, so I'm probably gonna buy an AliExpress wig. So I have nothing against Chinese hair companies, but there are black owned natural hair clip-in companies, so I wouldn't feel right about not supporting them and then just going to a random business. That's just me. The concept, would I buy like natural hair clip-in extensions? Yeah, of course I would. Yes, I would. If I buy the extensions, I'm probably gonna buy it from a black owned company. So that's that. Okay, so the next thing I saw on Instagram was so funny. It's so creative. It's called My Snap and Go. This is a cap with weave attached to it. Bro, like what? It's actually a product. So the first thing I saw of them was a video of a girl going to meet her man. She flying across the country to meet her man. Her hair is like in a raggedy bonnet because she's trying to keep her hair cute. And her friend's like, what? Stop. Where are you going? What are you doing? You're not gonna see your man looking like this. She takes out a snap and go with the weave attached to the cap, and she puts it on her friend's head. She's like, listen, protect your hair, but look cute for your man. That's the type of friends you need to have in your life. If your friend does not drive to the airport to stop you from looking raggedy to go see your man, honey child, that's not your friend. Okay, all jokes aside, I actually think that this is genius. You're gonna see it here in the screen, the cap with the hair. It's actually genius. Would I buy it? Yes, 100%. Yes, I would. Because the truth is, I was gonna say when I come on YouTube, y'all see me on YouTube and I look fabulous. I was gonna say that, but that's not true, because look at my hair right now. I'm filming something else, so I have to twist in for it to dry because I'm filming something else. But I don't really care what I look like on camera, because I can look raggedy, but y'all know I can transform. I can transform. I'm the same way in real life. So should I be proud of this? I don't know. I'll walk on the street in the Netherlands and I will be looking straight up homeless. I'm not even gonna lie. But do I care? No. So for those days when I should actually care what I'm doing with my hair, I could take a snap and go. Yeah, I would buy a snap and go. Matter of fact, you know, the way my bank account is set up right now, I'm buying none of these stuff. But, you know, let my situation change a little bit and I'ma pick me up a snap and go. They have different colors of hair, different textures, different colors of the hat. They even have a snap back. It's like, yes, I would. I feel personally attacked by the new product line of Curls, okay? Their pineapple collection. First of all, Curls, you're gonna make products with tropical vibes. You're gonna put these products on a beach with pineapples. First of all, you know I miss my country. You know I miss the sun. Second of all, the weather in Holland be acting up. It's all bipolar. Sometimes we have sun, but it's cold. Then we have rain. Like, what are you doing, Curls? What are you doing? The Popping Pineapple Collection. Even the name is nice. I'm being extra. I'm being very extra. But what is in the Popping Pineapple Collection? So they have a curl wash, which I assume is a shampoo, a curl mask, a leave-in conditioner, a curl defining jelly, which I would like to try as well, and a scalp, something for your scalp. Yes, I would buy these products. What I can see from what I can see, what do? They have vitamin C, vitamin A, B1, and B6. They promote healthy hair growth. They increase the natural oils of the scalp so that your hair can grow and be strong. That's what it does. Yes, I want it just because of the packaging and the marketing alone. So we've come to that point again. Yes. Oh my goodness, another one of my favorite brands, The Main Choice. They have just been launching. They have been bringing collections to the market like nobody's business. So this is what you might have missed, or I might have missed. The Prickly Pear collection. So the Prickly Pear collection, I'm gonna put that here. Would I buy the entire collection? No. What I would buy from this collection, what I really want from this collection, is a overnight mask. It's like, you know when you usually put like a deep conditioner in your hair, you bag your hair overnight? Apparently they say you're not supposed to do that. So what The Main Choice did, they came with a deep conditioner that you apply for dry hair, and it's a mask for overnight. I'm intrigued. I want that. Another collection that they came out with is the Where is Caution? Proceed with Caution collection. Do I want that? If someone would give it to me, I would try it. But I don't know. This isn't really screaming to me, but it's The Main Choice, so you know it's finna be bomb. So I probably wouldn't buy it. I would buy the Prickly Pear collection first. And then they launched another collection, or at least it's not in stores yet. I found this one on Courtney Adeleyes. I hope I'm saying her name right. She's the founder of The Main Choice. I found this on her Instagram. The Cheers collection. They're saying that this contains pear in the products. I actually really like that because one of the remedies like old remedies that we have in Suriname is that you put beer for your hair. So I actually like that. It has the Cheers shampoo, Cheers conditioner, Cheers gelato, and the Cheers hair polish. She also added like a snippet of the gelato, and it looks really like snot-like and sticky. I'm low-key excited. I have a question for y'all though, because brands like the Main Choice and also Shea Moisture does this a lot as well, or did it a lot. They're expanding really quickly. So they, in a short period of time, or at least it feels like a short period of time for me, they release a lot of collections. How do you guys feel about that? I personally, I like it, but then I don't. And the reason why I like it is because different collections serve a different purpose. So they want to make sure that they have something for everybody. So I like that. The part where I don't like it is the part where I look at my bank account and I'm just like, my bank account cannot keep up with y'all. So now they keep coming up with new stuff and I want to try everything, but I feel kind of overwhelmed. Which is probably not their fault. I should not be a product junkie. How do you guys feel about that? Do you feel like all of these brands coming out with different collections kind of encourages people to be product junkies? Or do you feel like it's your own responsibility? You should probably be looking at your own pocket and deciding if you want to buy something or not. So another thing that I saw all over Instagram and YouTube for that matter are waveformers. If you have not seen waveformers, this is what they look like. You guys know that I use curl formers, right? So apparently, as we later discovered, waveformers are a knockoff of curl formers that actually give your hair a wave instead of a spiral curl. And Amber Ansa, she did a video on this as well. What her video taught us is that curl formers is also coming out with their own official waveformers, and the ones that we've seen on the internet are knockoffs. Would I buy the knockoffs and would I buy the real waveformers when they come? Would I buy the knockoffs? I think I would. The reason why I say I think, I actually own original curl formers. I like the curl formers. They're really good quality. I would actually be excited to try the original waveformers by curl formers because I already know the brand. I know that it's good quality. I would actually really want to try the curl formers waveformers before I try the knockoff. And if it takes a long time for them to come with the waveformers, I'd probably try the knockoff. This is the thing, I actually like supporting the original company, especially if I know that they have quality. And because I feel like why buy the knockoff if the company took their time to try and be creative with a product? That's my thing. But yeah, I would buy the knockoff eventually if it took too long. Yeah. Oh yeah, another product that I've seen on Instagram is the Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go collection. So one of y'all in the Famiri, you are the plug. I'm gonna place your comment somewhere here. Months ago, you told me about this collection. You smart, you loyal, you are the plug. Shea Moisture just released it. Did I buy it in the meantime? No, because I can't, but I want it. So I'm gonna have to find a way to buy this because I want it. Okay, so the next thing, I'm gonna put 2 videos here, right? This is a trend that I'm seeing, people. And all I can say is you're doing too much. You're doing too much. People are making machines to twist and braid your hair. No, listen. I know that we're all lazy. I get it. I don't judge, okay? But you're gonna buy a machine to twist and braid your hair? No, you're doing too much. That's why I draw the line, cause that ish looks like it hurts. Look at the video where it looks like it pulling the girl's hair out. No, I'm not doing that. I'd rather not do my hair, look like a crazy person, than have bald spots because that machine decided to act up. That machine caught an attitude, decided that I ain't got no edges anymore. No. So would I buy this? Hell no. Nope. So the next thing that I saw is this crazy Back to the Future looking hooded hair dryer. Like, look at this. Look. I don't even know what this is. It's an infrared hair color processor or hooded hair dryer. I don't know. I saw it on Instagram. I saw it with Kimberly Sherrill, and Amber Ansa also had one, and I was like, what the heck is this? So I did some snooping, and it's a hooded hair dryer, and if you ask me, it's doing the most. Like, you can just buy a hooded hair dryer. Like, would I buy it? Yes. Yes, I would. I don't know how often I would use it, but if I got money like that, you mean to tell me I can dry my hair and have a sci-fi moment like every time? Yeah, I'd buy it. But the price, it's $500. The one in America is $500. Do you know how much the one cost that they sell in Europe? $1,500. No. I would not buy it. No. Okay, no. I would not buy it. If I had the money, I would buy it. No. Just buy a hooded dryer. For the people that like to start something, this is not me critiquing the people that bought it. If you bought it, you got that money, good for you. But for me, no. I think that's everything. I feel like I'm yelling today. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's happening with me today, but I feel like I have a lot of energy. If I'm yelling during this entire video, I'm sorry. I have energy today. So, okay. So the last thing is not really something I saw on Instagram. It's like a shout out. So there is a natural hair brand in South Africa. So if you live in South Africa and you're watching this, I want to give a shout out to Afro Naturals. Okay, I'm gonna put their Insta here, some of their pictures here. I've actually had contact with the lady, Dr. Hajo, who has started this company, and I just think it's cool what she's doing there, educating people about natural hair care. I haven't tried the products. This is not sponsored. She doesn't even know that I'm giving the shout out. It's just that I got a chance to kind of like hear the way she talks about the products, how she wants to educate people in Africa on loving their natural hair and how to take care of it. And I just think it's really cool what they're doing. So I would just say, if you're watching this, if you're living in South Africa, even if you're not and you just want to go support, please go to their Instagram, like it. If you live in South Africa and you're looking for hair products, you know, holla at them. I just wanted to end this with a shout out because I think they're doing amazing work. Okay, that was it for today of the products that I saw on Instagram and the interwebs, and if I would buy them. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you're new, please do subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave for me in the comments what you would buy and what is a hell no for you. Okay, gonna place some videos here and I will see you next time. Oh yeah, my next video is gonna be on Monday, not on Sunday, so then you know.